To tuck or not to tuck? That is the reader's question of late. So today I'm sharing how to tuck sweaters, tees, and shirts. It's all coming up next in Style at a Certain Age. Hi ladies, it's Beth. Thanks so much for stopping by. And I always wish my first-time viewers a very warm welcome. And I will tell you to hit that subscription box down below so you don't miss any videos coming your way. If you're looking for more style inspiration, I'm also on Facebook and Instagram, Style at a Certain Age. And we have a lovely lifestyle blog with lots of tips besides style. So that includes health and wellness, we have recipes and cocktails, and my German Shepherd Oscar always makes a weekly appearance. Well, here at Style at a Certain Age, I like to say that style needs to be uncomplicated. So in recent years, we've maybe complicated it. I don't really think so, but I get a lot of readers asking me how to do a half tuck and how to do a full tuck and how to do a side twist. And so when I get more than one reader asking something, then I pay attention. So I'm here today to uncomplicate the world of tucks, and we're going to start with my very first one, which is I love just to tuck my shirt in completely all the way around. And that's because I love belts. So we're going to kick it off with my very favorite, and that's the full tuck. The jeans I'm wearing for all of the outfits are Madewell jeans. It's the perfect vintage ankle jean in the Clayton wash. And the first tuck really needs no introduction because this is of the very traditional way we all used to wear our blouses, and that's just completely tucked in all the way around. This is my favorite way to wear a blouse, especially when I'm headed out for the evening. A silk blouse and blue jeans is very casual yet glam, but it also will highlight my belt when I have the full tuck. And belts are just my favorite accessories, and it really just elevates the outfit one more notch. The half tuck was popularized by Jenna Lyons about 10 years ago, and I love to wear this again for evening because you can pop over a beautiful blazer on top. But you can go solo with this half tuck as well. Either way, it looks very, very chic. And it's also a very, very easy tuck to manipulate. You just take one button at the bottom and unbutton it. And then you take one side of your shirt or blouse and tuck it very tightly into your jeans or your pants. You just kind of shush, and voila, you have a very casual, elegant, and chic look. I just want to mention that you just want the button to hit the top of your pants or your jeans because you don't want a gap there. This next tuck is very, very easy. This is called the side twist tie, or side twist tuck. And then I'm going to show you what it looks like when you're just wearing a tee all by itself. And a lot of people wear it like this. It looks perfectly fine, but if you want to elevate your outfit, that's where tucks really come into play. And so the side twist tuck, it's very, very easy. You just take one side of your tee or your shirt, you twist it around 1 or 2 times, and tuck it into the side of your pants. How easy is that? And then you just do a little bit of shushing just to get the folds where you want it. And look how it really accentuates your waist. The next tuck is very, very popular. So this is the front full tuck. And there again, it will just accentuate your waist. So you just take the front of your tee or your shirt and you just tightly tuck it into your pants. And then notice how on the left and the right side, there's just extra fabric there. So that's how you want your full front tuck to look. And again, you can kind of shush things, get the tee folds into place. But there again, it's just a very casual look, elevates the outfit and really accentuates the waist. The next tuck really is, I don't see a lot of people wearing this, but I like to wear this tuck when I'm wearing a short bomber jacket or a jean jacket. So instead of tucking the T in the front, you're going to tuck it in the back, and then you just manipulate your T. So it doesn't look sloppy. It really does look very pulled together. And as I said, it's perfect with short jackets. So you just take your tee or your shirt and you just tuck it very tightly in back. How easy is that? And then again, you're just going to shush the front into place. So it's just a casual look, but again, just elevates your outfit. And I did want to mention there are sweaters that actually have slits on the side, which make it easy to manipulate the sweater and tuck it into your pants. So this is Halogen Cashmere from Nordstrom, and it has the slits on the side. And as I said, it just makes it very easy to tuck the entire front in. So then you leave the tail in the back, and you don't have a lot of bulk. And the next look I typically wear in the summertime, and this is the button front tie. And it just really looks darling with joggers or a pair of jeans, even shorts. So you just take the bottom two buttons and you unbutton them, and then you fold up the back, and then you bring the two front pieces of your shirt, and then you just tie them into a knot very tightly against your waist. And then I just kind of manipulate the knot a little bit so it looks a little bit pretty. And there you have it, a very casual summer look. Absolutely darling with the joggers. And the last one, I just wanted to mention there are actual tees that are made now for a side twist tie. And this happens to be from Lou & Grey. It's available at Loft. And there again, it just gives your tee a little bit of an elevation, accentuates the waist with blue jeans. But it makes it very, very easy because the fabric is constructed so you have a little bit of fabric in the front and a little bit in back. So you have some extra material to play with in all the right places. So you just take a tee and you just twist it around and then you tie it in a knot. And voila, you have the beautiful side twist tie. So I hope I've uncomplicated how to do the tuck, the half tuck, the twist tuck. I mean, there's so many different ways to look stylish, but I hope I did make it a little bit easier for you. Give me a thumbs up if you like the video. Don't forget to hit the subscription box before you leave, and I'll see you again very, very soon. Bye-bye.